All right, in fact, Brian, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us as more updates and breakings are coming at this point of time. As in fact, developments are happening, compensation has been announced, inquiry has been ordered. The authorities are working with the hospital officials to ensure that treatment should be provided at the finest way possible for the victims and the injured, in fact. But at the same time, it is very tragic that the overcrowding has led to the death of 18 individuals, with even children becoming in fact the worst of the sufferers. Now, Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi has hit out at the Railway Ministry, saying that this incident has once again highlighted the failure of the railways and the insensitivity of the government. Considering the large number of devotees going to Prayagraj, better arrangements should have been made at the station. Well, this is in fact very tragic to learn, but at the same time where the tragic incident has happened, politics continues to ensue at this point of time. Rahul Gandhi has attacked the Railway Ministry and the central government. Mehndi Garg, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast for the same. Mehndi, Rahul Gandhi has attacked the centre over this incident. Issue has been politicized. Compensation has been announced. Share more details as per what Congress and other tall leaders of the Congress are also saying as far as the Stampede horror is concerned.
Well, Simran, we can say that it is very unfortunate that this incident has happened, and what is more unfortunate is that politics has erupted over this matter right now, because both the political parties are targeting each other, and we heard Rahul Gandhi also targeted the central government for the negligence, and also the Railway Ministry for the negligence that has happened. So yes, Rahul Gandhi has targeted the central ministry and the Railway Ministry for not taking proper care at the railways, because a lot of number and huge crowds are moving towards Prayagraj to take a holy dip in the Mahakumbh. So yes, the politics have erupted right now, but we can say that Railway Ministry and the central government is taking stand and taking cognizance over this matter, and the investigative team has also been formed. But it is very unfortunate to see that the politics has also been erupted, and not only Rahul Gandhi, Simran, but Atishi, the former CM, also came and targeted the centre for not taking proper care at the railways also. So the politics and the war of words between the political parties have started right now. Rahul Gandhi has taken a drive at the centre for the negligence that has happened at the railways of the Railway Ministry as well, and targeted especially Ashwini Vaishnav, the Railway Minister, for his due negligence that has happened at the New Delhi railway station later in the night. And also some of the political leaders also says that if proper measures have been taken care of, if proper announcements have been taken care of, then yes, this unfortunate incident could have been avoided. But according to the political parties that we are getting to know, and the statements that are coming from the different political parties, then yes, it is very unfortunate to see politics happening over this unfortunate and we can say very disheartening incident. Yes, Simran.
Well, absolutely, Mehndi. I'll request you to kindly stay on.